Toyota is cooking up something new in their garage, and it's not just any ordinary vehicle. We're talking about a brand new, revolutionary hydrogen vehicle. You may have heard about the Mirai, the hydrogen-powered Toyota vehicle that uses fuel cells to generate electricity. But now Toyota has come up with something completely different. They're calling it the new hydrogen combustion engine. This technology could be a game-changer in the automotive industry. Unlike other car manufacturers that have gone all-electric, Toyota is taking a different route. But it's not just about being different, it's about being better. So, let's dive in. We're going to be talking about Toyota's new hydrogen combustion engine, how it works, and what it means for the industry. We all know that the planet is in a bit of a pickle. According to globalcitizen.org, the transportation industry is responsible for a whopping 15% of carbon emissions worldwide. It's no secret that traditional combustion engines have been a big contributor to the pollution problem. While electric cars are definitely gaining popularity, they're not the only solution, some might argue. Enter Toyota's new branch in its diversified carbon neutrality approach, the hydrogen combustion engine. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe and has the highest specific energy density of any non-nuclear power source. It's exhaust-free, non-toxic, and can be created using many sources, stored indefinitely, and shipped relatively easily. Millions of tons of hydrogen are produced and used without incident every year. It's already being used as a power source in buildings, electric cars, forklifts, ships, and trains. So, what's the deal with hydrogen engines? They have longer ranges and don't need to be recharged like electric cars. The only byproduct that comes out of the exhaust pipe is water. That's right, no harmful pollutants. Now you might be wondering how it all works. All hydrogen engines use a fuel cell, which converts hydrogen into electricity. It's like magic but with science. Did you know that Toyota began cutting down on fossil fuel-powered vehicles back in 1997 when it first rolled out the Prius? They've been on the eco-friendly train for a while now, but they're not the only ones. Automakers all over the world are working to create environmentally friendly cars using solar energy, electrical energy, and hydrogen power. It's not just about saving the planet, it's about providing energy security, improving air quality, and minimizing environmental impact. Once produced, hydrogen is also efficient and cost-effective to distribute. Most new vehicle hydrogen refueling stations create hydrogen on-site with electrolysis using 100% renewable surplus energy. The best part? These stations are containerized and only require water and power to operate. Power is supplied on green tariffs, or at some stations, it is sourced directly from solar or wind on-site. Toyota has now claimed to have created a new way of harnessing the power of hydrogen. Their engineering team recently showed off the Corolla Cross H2 concept, a new prototype car with a hydrogen combustion engine. Toyota has been working on a car with a hydrogen combustion engine, different from the fuel cell technology that powers its last hydrogen-powered car, the Toyota Mirai. The concept of powering an internal combustion engine with hydrogen is not a new one. One of the pioneers in the game was German automaker BMW, which introduced the 750 HL back in 2002, followed by the Hydrogen 7 in 2005. BMW's Hydrogen 7 was based on a traditional gasoline-powered 6.0L V12 but with modifications to burn hydrogen as well as gasoline. It's a dual-fuel engine. Only 100 of these were ever produced. However, it had some downsides. For starters, it's highly flammable, so lighting a match near a hydrogen-powered car might not be the best idea. It's also difficult to process and store, which can be a bit of a headache. And let's not forget about nitrous oxide, which is emitted during the combustion process. While it may not be as bad as carbon monoxide, it's still considered a pollutant by the EPA. This is where Toyota comes in. Toyota believes there is currently no single solution to reducing vehicle emissions or meeting customer transport needs. It's all about delivering the right vehicle to the right place at the right time. Investments have to be made in all areas to meet immediate, medium-term, and long-term needs throughout the world. That's where hydrogen comes in, forming an integral part of Toyota's Beyond Zero campaign. They plan to achieve this with their H2, Toyota's fancy name for hydrogen-powered internal combustion engines. The GR Corolla H2 is equipped with a 1.6L turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, but with a twist, it runs on hydrogen. To make this happen, Toyota uses thick armored fuel tanks to store the highly flammable hydrogen technology, which they picked up from their FCE, the Mirai. With just 5 kilograms of hydrogen, the car can be driven for up to 300 miles, and the only thing it emits is 50 liters of water. Toyota has also teamed up with Yamaha Motor to create a hydrogen-fueled V8 engine that produces 455 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque. It also boasts an 8-1 top-mounted exhaust manifold for unique high-frequency sound. Hydrogen-powered cars also have a higher range and faster refueling times compared to electric vehicles, only 90 seconds for the GR Yaris H2. Plus, they reduce the need for limited supply materials like lithium and nickel, which are critical for EV batteries. The Corolla Cross H2 concept car is now undergoing real-world evaluation and winter road condition testing in northern Japan. With the Japanese government's high hopes for hydrogen, they plan to have 200,000 fuel cell-powered vehicles on the road by 2025 and 800,000 by 2030, with more refueling stations planned across the country. The Toyota hydrogen engine doesn't require nearly as much rare metal as lithium or nickel, and its battery is substantially smaller than an EV's battery. While it does produce some noxious gases, they are significantly less than in a pure gasoline car. Now let's talk about the sound and safety features of Toyota's new hydrogen engine. Not only does it sound fantastic, but the exhaust bark is no different from a tuned gasoline-powered vehicle. With no fossil fuels to burn, Toyota's innovative hydrogen engine emits nearly no CO2. While it does produce a certain amount of noxious gases, these are significantly less than what traditional gasoline engines emit. This makes the hydrogen engine an environmentally friendlier option, helping to reduce overall emissions. When it comes to safety, Toyota has thought of everything. They've added stronger connecting rods, harder valves and valve seats, and specialized fuel injectors that use gas instead of liquid. These modifications ensure that the hydrogen combustion engine operates safely and efficiently, giving drivers peace of mind. With safety as a top priority, Toyota has proven its commitment to developing reliable and cutting-edge technology. One of the key benefits of this new hydrogen technology is the solution it offers to one of the main drawbacks of electric cars: charging. While EVs can take hours to charge, hydrogen-powered cars like the GR Yaris H2 only take 90 seconds to refuel. Although there are currently fewer hydrogen refueling stations compared to EV charging stations, the infrastructure is growing. Many hydrogen outlets are designed to integrate seamlessly with traditional gas stations, making them a convenient option for drivers. Another significant advantage is the smaller battery size in hydrogen-powered vehicles. Unlike EVs that require large amounts of lithium and nickel for their batteries, the GR Yaris H2 uses a much smaller battery. This reduces the demand for scarce raw materials, making hydrogen vehicles more sustainable and environmentally friendly in the long run. Additionally, hydrogen's ability to be produced and distributed efficiently further enhances its appeal as a fuel source. Toyota's innovation extends beyond individual vehicles. The company envisions a future where hydrogen power technology plays a crucial role in global sustainability efforts. With real-world testing of the Corolla Cross H2 concept car already underway and successful demonstrations of the hydrogen-fueled V8 engine, Toyota is paving the way for a new era in automotive technology. As the world moves toward a greener future, Toyota's hydrogen combustion engine is poised to make a lasting impact. The Japanese government's support for hydrogen technology also plays a significant role in its development. With ambitious plans to increase the number of fuel cell-powered vehicles and refueling stations by 2030, hydrogen is gaining momentum as a viable alternative to fossil fuels. Toyota's efforts align perfectly with these goals, positioning the company as a leader in the race toward carbon neutrality. In summary, Toyota's hydrogen combustion engine represents a bold and innovative step forward in the automotive industry. By combining advanced engineering with environmental consciousness, Toyota is setting a new standard for sustainable transportation. With longer ranges, faster refueling times, and reduced reliance on scarce raw materials, hydrogen-powered vehicles offer numerous advantages over traditional and electric cars. As Toyota continues to refine this technology and expand its applications, the future of hydrogen looks brighter than ever.